Is it any other monumental structure which has just gained 25 years of age? Is that all? Or is there something more to it? An institution gains its stature and recognition from two factors: the principles which it follows and the traditions it nurtures and practiced in our country. That only makes our responsibility that much more. Lawyers and judges are therefore required to be well informed, and they have to constantly keep updating their levels of knowledge, only to see to it that the causes that are brought by the society at large are resolved not only in quick time but to the satisfaction